Alright guys, so we're going to try this out. Um, Try to make this as much like our regular lectures as much as I can, but we will see. Notice we still have an agenda, so welcome back to school. It's March 23rd when I'm posting this. Still have a meme up there, of course, and you're going to have a homework assignment that's due on the 26th at noon. So this is our first unit for this remote learning. This is Unit 8 Solutions. So the first chapters, you can say, is going to be introduction, and this should include some terms you should be familiar with. So before we get started with the actual lesson, if you will, it can't be a Dr. B lecture without something from YouTube, a video clip. So watch the one that I posted on Google Classroom, and it should be related to Waterboy. And I'm sure you can figure out why I posted it in the first place. So the video, of course, they mentioned water, H2O, Gatorade, all the type of stuff. So that's what we're kind of focusing on. Some very tangible examples of solutions, which you should be somewhat familiar with already. So a solution itself, it is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means it's the same throughout, and mixture means that it contains different substances. And because it's homogeneous, that means you can't tell the difference between all the different parts that make up that mixture. So you have a bottle of Gatorade, you can't tell the difference between the electrolytes, the sugars, this, that, or the other that make it up. So when we think of solutions, the way to think about it is that a solute is being dissolved by a solvent, and that equals a solution. So solute plus solvent equals solution. Solute is the Gatorade powder, solvent is the water, and Gatorade, the drink itself, would be your solution if that's the way you want to think about it. So most solutions are liquid, but we can think of gases and solids. For example, the atmosphere itself. Nitrogen gas or dinitrogen makes up the most, so it can be considered the solvent. You have a gold ring, 14 carats. You have silver dissolved in gold, and in brass you have zinc dissolved in copper. So that means that silver and zinc are your solutes, while copper and gold are your solvents.